be these new door cylinders. That clip there, you see the C clip, and as well as the lock clip. So remove those two items now. Two different locks. This is the other one. The one I took out, I'm taking out. So it's pretty straightforward. Take the new one. Push it back through here. Just like that. It's out. Bought a bunch of different clips and I had no success. So actually, as a last ditch effort, because they were pretty cheap, I purchased these. And basically what I'm doing here to make them work, in case you guys have B2000 giving you the same issue, you take these, snap the top of it, so, and then you'll see that. Slowly finesse them in like the factory ones by spinning them in into place. See? Alrighty, so this is the mounting plate. It looks like I'm gonna have to modify it. I'll come up with something different. But as you can see, it'll definitely reach one side. I don't know about the other, so I'm gonna have to come up with something or modify this plate a bit to fit on here. So stay tuned. Terminals on this, and this here is the power. And there's only one cable, as you can see there, so there's no door. Like when you open the door, there's no switches here. And this is the ground. This got a little bit damaged here. It's brittle, but it doesn't matter. You'll see how I'm gonna mount it. But just wanted to show you that. And I use this as the base, and this now. Nice and clean. There you go. These window handles, and what I ended up doing was I took these pieces off and made them into regular door handles and a window handle. So yeah, it's pretty straightforward to install. Put this on here, little Allen wrench, boom, and then you put this on here, 3 Allen wrenches, and that'll pretty much do it for today. The car's running good. Stay tuned for more.